So a couple people wanted a update on the winch, how it's holding up. I pulled 2 tractors into this truck just last week, 2 of them. One in first and then one behind it. I pulled one in a week before that. I pulled one in on January 1st. That was a heavier one. And as far as holding up is concerned, not one iota of an issue. The only thing you got to be careful about, since I don't have the rollers on it, is you got to be careful that that cable don't come off the track and go getting jammed in there. That's the only thing. But as far as, you know, the bed bending or the back rack, no. Nope. It's holding firm. Now, like I said, the winch itself, that's particular Harbor Freight winch, that cheaper one, I would stay away from it and get the higher end one if you're going to get one at a Harbor Freight. Otherwise, I would just get one somewhere else, only because, you know, like I said, the first one, the remote was bad. The second one, the motor was bad. So far, I've been pretty lucky with this one. Hopefully it holds up decently. But yeah, now as far as you can see, nothing's bent, nothing's bowed, nothing's cracking. And I pulled them in. That when I had to pull in 2 of them, I had to have that winch line come up over the top of the second one, so it even added extra stress, and I had no issue. So yes, it can definitely handle it. The only thing I would be worried about is if that cable ever snapped, because then it would go boom right through and blow out the window. So that's the one thing I would be worried about. You know, it most likely would never happen, but that would be the one thing that I would be concerned about over anything. So there's my update on the winch. The winch itself is doing fine, especially as far as holding up is concerned. Just make sure you do like I did. I added the plates so you had room for the bottom bolts, or the bottom bolt. You don't have to, but I wouldn't bolt directly into the back rack. I would use metal plates like I did. But that's it. Aside from that, she's doing good. Got my little La Jolla Cove sticker from when I was in San Diego. Right? Got my little East Brunswick police sticker. I used to put one, back in the, I have OCD, so I had one of these every year on my S10 from like 2014 all the way to like 2020. And I had one from 1998. I got that one off a door that got thrown away. That one was different. It looked different. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that anymore. Just one's good enough, you know. So, all right, we're on our way to go get that free snapper, because you guys said stop making videos about personal life and get back to working on small engines. So we're going to get a nice free snapper 826 from Roxbury NJ. It already runs. The ad says it just leaks gas a little bit, so it's probably just an old fuel line, or, you know, the valve thing might be bad, whatever. Or a needle and seat on the car, but whatever it is, it already runs. So that's where we're heading. All right, later guys.